Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram. Greetings ICSE students and welcome back to Shiksha Marg 108. Today we revise the important formulas for factorization. Number 1. A plus B bracket square is A square plus twice AB plus B square. A minus B bracket square is A square minus twice AB plus B square. A square minus B square in bracket A plus B times in bracket A minus B. A plus B bracket cube is A cube plus 3 times A square B plus 3 times AB square plus B cube. A minus B bracket cube is A cube minus 3 times A square B plus 3 times AB square minus B cube. Next one, A cube plus B cube. In bracket A plus B, in the next bracket A square minus AB plus B square. Next one, A cube minus B cube. First bracket is A minus B, second bracket times A square plus AB plus B square. I hope that's making sense to you. That's all for today, smart students. If you like the video, consider pressing the subscribe button and hit the like button too while you're at it. Share the knowledge, spread the word. Shiksha Marg 108, the place to be. For learning and fun, join the journey with me. Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram.